What we do is we have myself living here in Dubrovnik. As you can see, it's not a bad place to live. And also we have reps who live here in different locations actually. They can live in Hvar, they could live in Split, they could live in Korcula. And the reason for that is twofold. It means that when the boats dock, we've got local reps who have local knowledge and local information to give to the guests. And also it means that we keep a close relationship with the local guys who might be running excursions or have clubs and pubs and restaurants as well. And that keeps us, again, very, very closely connected to South Croatia. Basically, if you go with South Croatia to Croatia, you're going with a local kind of choice.
Once you come on board Sail Croatia, you have your Sail Croatia wristband or your Sail Croatia Explorer card, and with them you can use discount in our partner restaurants, bars, coffee places and clubs. They are not just places where you can have a decent food, they are the places where Sail Croatia guests have the best service, because the owners and the providers of the service and the food are used to work with us, and they are providing our guests with really nice and careful treatment.
Our chef Mariana is expert for the fish. She was born near the sea. First we put the mussels on the frying pan, put some onions on it and olive oil. When they are open, it's covered with white wine and some fish soup for a few minutes and it's done. That's why we saw the carving until the bone. That's the basic for all the fish. When it's on the grill, when it's moved from the bone, then it's done. And for the shrimps, they need a few minutes, just on the lower and the upper side get a golden color. Then you know it's done.